What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so today's video I'm just going to be doing a kind of quick little review on the brand new string trimmer that I purchased. Well, it's actually a kit. It's a combo kit, so it's a string trimmer and a leaf blower. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alrighty guys, so the string trimmer and leaf blower that I purchased is the Toro 60 volt. I actually purchased this because the previous string trimmer and leaf blower that I had, they're pretty old, and so I wanted to upgrade a little bit because they're actually starting to give out little by little. And the ones that I previously had are Black & Decker, and I had them almost 7 years, and they actually held up pretty good. But I noticed recently the leaf blower, I could hear the motor starting to give out little by little, and the battery itself is not lasting as long as I want it to. And that one was a 20 volt, so this is going to be a pretty big upgrade. This is a 60 volt compared to the 20 volt I had on the Black & Decker. And what's nice about this kit, it's a string trimmer and the leaf blower, and it comes with the battery and charger on this one. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks. Alright, we got here some paperwork. Put this aside for right now. Let's see what's in the box. So right here on top, we got the charger, it looks like. With this handle, I'm assuming it's for the string trimmer. This is the string trimmer. I think right here is the actual battery. Oh yeah, look at the size of this. It's a big battery compared to my previous one. Let me bring the battery actually so you guys can see the difference. Give me a second. Alright guys, so let's see the difference. Here's the Toro 60 volt, and here's the Black & Decker 20 volt. Look at that. That is crazy. Alright, as you can see, this one I think has a little button right here, so you could press it and it'll tell you how much battery life you have. I'm not sure if it's charged, so let me check actually. Yeah, see, it only has one light, so I'll probably, before I get to use this, I'm gonna charge it, and that way we get the full power of this, So I'll put this in the side for right now. Next, oh wow, look at this. It's a pretty big leaf blower. Look at this bad boy. So, oh, look at the size difference. This is a Toro one. This is my previous Black & Decker one. Oh yeah, this is weight. Look at the size. Yeah, so this is definitely a big upgrade. This is gonna come in handy once I have a bunch of leaves in the yard. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be blowing this away like nothing. Let's see what else we got. So this is the actual string trimmer. It looks like it's, oh yeah, just fold it in half right here. And just put it together and tighten it up. So here it is. Yeah, see right here, that's a little clip. It's locked right here, see? Okay guys, so I'll show you the difference between the Toro and the Black & Decker that I had. So this is the Toro battery. This is the Black & Decker battery. So this is the Toro string trimmer. And And this is a black and darker one. Try to pick it up so you can see the size difference better. So this is like a full size string trimmer compared to this one. Now the leaf blowers. Here's a Toro. And there's your black and darker one. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and set up the string trimmer. You guys remember this little how it was folded up? Once you unfold it, make sure it clicks in right here. And then right behind it has a little Allen wrench. So we can go ahead and tighten it up. And we do provide you with one. So go ahead and tighten it up, or else it's gonna be a little wobbly. See? So let me tighten that up real quick. Alright, got that nice and snug. So now it's not wobbly, it's nice and sturdy. Okay, next we're going to do the handle. Alright, now that it's removed, we're going to go ahead and attach it right here. Just above this area where the little screws at. Bottom. And just retighten it. Alright guys, next we're going to be installing the guard, and what you're going to want to do first is remove these screws right behind it, and then we're going to attach it, and then we're going to use these screws to tighten it back up. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them. Alright guys, so now that we remove the screws, we're going to flip it upside down like this, and then put the edge guard right there, so then make sure they're lined up. And then we're going to go reattach those screws and tighten it up. Alright guys, so next we're just going to be attaching this wire edge guard, and then that's pretty much it. So to attach it, you see those little slots right here on these little corners. Just go ahead and attach this side, that side. And that's it. So now you're able to fold it. Alrighty guys, so actually left it charging yesterday, and by the time it was done it was a little dark, so I decided to wait till the next day so I can show you guys how it works. So here's the battery fully charged. I'm going to press this button, double check. See, oh, we got all 4 lights, so we're ready to go. So first thing I'm going to try out is the string trimmer. Just going to attach it right here to the back. There we go. Alright, so I've got this little section over here. The edges are a little long, so I'm going to be attacking this right now. Let me set it up and I'll get to it. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, that did this area really fast. One thing I think I forgot to mention was this was actually a dual line, so that's kind of new for me because my previous one, the black and dark one, was only a single one. So this is going to cut down time also when I'm working back here, which is nice. But yeah, this tackled this like nothing, and that was pretty high. It was maybe about 5 or 6 inches tall. Chopped it down like nothing. I got a couple little areas over here, so let's go take a look at those and we'll take it down. Oh yeah, look at that. Seconds. So I'm gonna show you real quick actually how to use it. It's pretty simple. So it has this little trigger right here, but you can't press it without pressing this one right on top. So in order to use it, you're gonna press this and then you're able to press. So you can just do it little by little. It's kind of slow, and then you press it all the way. It's full speed. So that's pretty neat. So let me finish up the rest of the edges and then we'll test out the leaf blower. Alright guys, so to use this one, very simple. It's got a trigger right here. Just go ahead and press it. So you can do it little by little. Or if you press all the way down, this comes off stronger. Oh yeah, way stronger than my previous one. And you guys can see this little blue button. It kind of goes into like a turbo mode, I guess you can say. So watch. So right now we're just gonna press this right here. See if you can hear the difference once I press this one as well. Alright guys, you can see I think it's plenty strong, way stronger than my previous one, so I'm very happy. Another thing that I really like on this is with this right here, you can go ahead and lock it in place the speed that you want. I'll show you right now. We're going to press this, and you're going to push this lever down, just like that. See, I'm not pressing it, it's doing it for me, so I don't have to worry about pressing the button the whole time. And you can control the speed also if you like with this. Press down, locks it in place. So yeah, I actually really like this little feature. So it's gonna come in handy, especially you have to leaf blow a lot of stuff. You don't want to keep pushing the button. So yeah guys, so far I really like this leaf blower and the string trimmer as well. Alrighty guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review on the Toro 60 volt flex force power system. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.